What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of maintaining my high mileage Mustang until I run out of money. We're at 190,000 miles now, and we're changing our transmission fluid for the first time. You've got two bolts. You've got your drain bolt right here. You also have your fill bolt right up there. You want to take your fill bolt out first to make sure that it comes out easily so that you can put fluid back in. Because if you can get the fluid out but you can't get more fluid in, you're screwed. We're gonna take our 8mm Allen key, update, persuasion. Alright, that's making a mess. Take out your fill port all the way so that doesn't happen. That's how you drain the oil out of an MT82, everybody. To fill this lovely MT82, we are going to be using this $5 pump that I got at Walmart, which I will probably regret at some point during this entire process, as well as AMSOIL's Synchro Mesh transmission fluid. Manual Synchro Mesh, I don't know. It's supposed to be good. It's from AMSOIL, and I trust them. Whether or not that trust is misplaced, we shall see.
I didn't record an outro. That's it. Have a wonderful rest of your day, guys.